So hello guys, today I'm back with a new video. Today we will be seeing how we can install Xournal++ on our Windows. Okay, so as you already know that Xournal is a Linux app used for note making. Okay, and I think many of us like it and we want to use it in Windows too. So today we will be installing it. So what we have to do is we just have to go to this link, okay, xournalapp.github.io, and the link is available in the description. Then just click on download under stable. So depending upon your internet connection speed, the file will be downloaded very soon. Now we just have to unzip it. Okay, and we can do that using command prompt also. Okay, so we will run this file as soon as it gets unzipped. Okay, and then just click on yes, provide all the required permissions, next, and then select the directory, install. Guys, it is a wonderful app. Okay, and especially if you are switching from Linux to Windows. So the setup is already installed. Okay, and like if you face any issue, you can mention in the comment, then I will surely answer your query. uh, okay, and else instructions are also available at this site. We just have to follow it. Okay, so now we will be searching Xournal, and we can see it is available, and click on open. It's Xournal++ in case of Windows. Then let's maximize it, and then like here we can change its layout. Okay, layout vertical, and depending upon zoom level we can modify it. Okay, so now you can customize it as per your needs. So that's it for the video. If you like this and you found the content useful, so do like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.